The Japandi style in architectural design is a hybrid style that combines the best of Japanese and Scandinavian design principles. It is characterized by its minimalist aesthetic, natural materials, and focus on functionality. Japanese design is known for its simplicity, elegance, and connection to nature. It often features clean lines, natural wood and bamboo, and muted colors. Scandinavian design is also known for its simplicity and functionality. It is often characterized by its light and airy feel, white walls, and pops of color. Japandi style blends the best of these two worlds, creating a warm and inviting space that is both functional and stylish. Here are some key characteristics of Japandi style architectural design. Minimalist aesthetic. Japandi style is all about keeping things simple and understated. There is no clutter or unnecessary ornamentation. Natural materials. Wood, bamboo, stone, and rattan are all popular materials in Japandi design. They add warmth and texture to the space. Focus on functionality. Every element in a Japandi design has a purpose. There is no wasted space or unnecessary furniture. Connection to nature. Japandi design often features large windows and doors that let in natural light and views. It also incorporates natural elements into the interior design, such as plants and wood beams. Here are some examples of Japandi style architectural design. Japandi style is a great choice for homeowners who want a simple, stylish, and functional home. It is also a good option for those who want to live a more sustainable lifestyle, as Japandi design emphasizes the use of natural materials and energy-efficient design principles.